Dear students, in this module, we'll be discussing about viruses, viroids, prions, and lichens. In Whitaker's five kingdom classification, there is no mention of some acellular organisms like viruses and viroids. They are not truly living and therefore they are not included in the classification scheme. Viruses have inert crystalline structure outside the living and therefore they are at the verge of living and non-living. But they are strictly parasitic in nature. When they infect a cell, they take over, dominate the machinery of the host, multiply, replicate, and in turn lies the host. The term virus was given by Louis Pasteur, where virus, the term refers to venom or poisonous fluid. The discovery of virus is credited to D.J. Ivanovsky in the year 1892. He recognized that certain microbes that cause mosaic disease of tobacco, they were smaller than bacteria and they could pass through bacterial proof filters even. N.W. Beijerinck in 1898 demonstrated that the extract of infected plants of tobacco could cause infection in Henley plants, and the fluid was referred to as infectious living fluid. W. M. Stanley in 1935 showed that viruses could be crystallized and the crystals consisted largely of proteins. Virus is actually a nucleoprotein entity. It has a protein coat which is referred to as the capsid made up of the unit called as capsomeres and the genetic material which could be either the RNA or the DNA. When we talk about the pictorial representation of the virus, it consists of the head, that is the protein capsid, the unit called capsomeres. It has got the tail sheath and for attachment it possesses the tail fibers on which it will fix itself. Like for example, if it is a bacterial cell, it will attach to the bacterial cell with the help of tail fibers. The viruses infecting bacteria are referred to as bacteriophages. On the surface, they've got the glycoprotein receptors. So basically, they consist of the head region and the genetic material. Viruses which infect the plants, they have single-stranded RNA as the genetic material. The ones which infect animals, they've got either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Viruses which infect bacteria are referred to as bacteriophages. The protein coat of the virus, that is capsid, is made up of units called as capsomeres that will protect the nucleic acid. The capsomeres are arranged in polyhedral geometric forms as can be seen in the diagrammatic representation. Viruses cause a variety of diseases like mumps, smallpox, herpes, influenza, and AIDS. In plants also they cause infectious diseases like mosaic formation, leaf rolling, curling, yellowing, vein clearing, doffing, and also lead to stunted growth. These are the various kind of viruses. The tobacco mosaic virus, which infects basically the tobacco plant, the adenovirus, influenza virus, the bacteriophage T4, lambda T4, and this is the generalized structure of the virus comprising of the head, the collar, the tail sheath, the tail fibers which help in attachment. Talking about viroids, it is an infectious agent with a very low molecular weight RNA and even lacking the protein coat. They are smaller than the viruses. They were discovered by T.O. Dyer in 1971 and they cause diseases in plants like potato spindle tuber disease. Prions are abnormally folded protein that cause some severe infectious neurological disorders. They are similar in size to the viruses. They cause BSE or mad cow disease in cattle, and its analogous variants are also found in humans. Lichens are the symbiotic association between algae and fungi, where the algal partner is the phycobiont and the fungal partner is the mycobiont. In this symbiotic association, where both the partners are getting benefited, algae prepares food for fungi and fungi provide shelter and absorbs mineral, nutrients and water for its partner. Lichens are very good pollution indicators. They do not grow in polluted areas. In this module, we had basically discussed about viruses, viroids, prions, and lichens. Hopefully, you must have garnered all the concepts related to the topic thoroughly. Thank you.